this way.
Scott, what was that number?
Is there's going to be 5 tagged fish. The first number we give you, when that fish pulls up, that's the winner of that heat. Go for it.
Hey, check this tag one over here. 785. That's it.
Okay, we have a winner on the first heat. All the other fish need to be put back in. Are you ready?
You two step out.
Catch a fish.
Just wait till the next one.
What's the number? We're looking for 11884. That's it. She won.
Okay, we have a winner of heat 2.
We got 10.
We're looking for tag fish, 11883.
Tag fish number 11883. Get ready, get set, go. Tag number 11881, and when you catch it, bring it to Travis. Go for it. Okay, we got a tag.
We got another winner.
Okay, now if everybody will please exit the pond, and we're going to get ready for the final heat for the grand prize.
All the winners need to step over.
Do we have the 4 finalists?
Yep. We're good. We're looking for 11885.
Tag number 11885. Go for it.
Come on, swim for it, ladies. Come on, just grab them fish. Grab them.
It would be wild. The mid-sized square bell. Watch out, guys.
Come on, it's worth diving for. This is a $300 prize. Dive in there.
Got it? You got 885? We got a winner. Got the winner, Dan.
We have a winner.
Jody. I'm American Fork.
Jody from American Fork was our queen fisherman of the day, and she wins the basket full of goodies. Everybody give her a big round of applause. There you go. We're going to have some guys from the DNR. I know Scott said he would help us fry up some fish, and maybe Richard and some other guys. So if you want to eat the fish, let us know. If not, we're going to eat it anyways.
It's got to be rinsed off.
You got a big
Oh, get that. We're going to have a mud test.
Almost ready. Everybody 9 o'clock, get the pond, get a fish.
sashimi, yeah.
Yeah, there's some fish food in there, buddy. John. You need me to get it? There you go. Throw it. Back 10.